So today I'm gonna be moving this from the engine bay because that's super dangerous. I mean, that leaks a little bit here, gets onto the ignition distributor, boom, lights up. So how I'm gonna do it: hose from the carburetor to the fuel pump, it's just gonna be one hose. From here to the hard line will be one hose, and then where the hard line goes back into a rubber line, you probably can't see it, but back there, it's past that near the transmission, that will then have a filter on it. We got 3 feet of the OG stuff here, so hopefully that'll be enough. So yeah, let's do it. All right, y'all, got it done. Wasn't too hard actually, and I still had like a piece like this big missing. So yeah, got my hands done, or hands dirty, so that must mean I either was working or trying to work and didn't know what the fuck I was doing. All right, so boom. Got this done here. This could have probably been a little shorter, but got that replaced. Actually routed the metal line where it should be. Can't really see it there, but it's right there. And then attached to this right here. Boom. And then I got this back here. Take the rest down here. Boom. Don't make fun of me for the zip ties. I just wanted it out of the way. So I made a little bracket. Put a little piece of rubber there. Nothing's leaking right now, so it's good. So yeah, looks good to me. And then I ripped the rest of that off because it was in the way and hitting the CD axles here, which is no bueno. But since I got that done, so I'll show y'all. Boom, both of those are done now. And then next, I'm going to be doing the little weather stripping stuff that goes around the pop outs. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for this. By the time that this is uploaded, the kick panels will be uploaded also. So yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share it too while you're at it. So yeah, peace.